Okay, so the other day in class we used Excel, or some classes use Excel and TI. So I want to show you how to make or obtain the line of best fit using desmos. And fifth hour is when we started doing this. So for fifth and sixth hour, it'll just be a review. So I went to the top to begin with, and I told it that I wanted to add a table. So now I'm just going to put my data in. So my X values go in the X column, right? And then by default, it's going to make an X and a Y column. So my X values go in the X column, and my Y values go in the Y column. So I can adjust the window, but then to get the line of best fit, so it'll be Y1, right? Y sub 1, and I can just type in Y and then the 1 button. You can use your actual keyboard, or you can use the virtual keyboard on Desmos. And then I need to use the tilde. So on Desmos, I'll just go to the ABC. On the actual keyboard, it's just next to the 1 button. So Shift and then the 1 next to the 1 button. So then M and then X sub 1. So again, X1 plus B. Right? So Desmos knows that I want this equation for the line of best fit, and it's going to be in slope-intercept form. So there's my equation, or at least there's the numbers for my equation right down at the bottom. So if I wanted to get my predicted y values, I can use the parameters that Desmos gave me. So towards the bottom of the screen, I can see that the m is equal to 4.8722. Right, and so that's my slope. So I can type in 4.8722. I want to tell the computer, okay, so then multiply that by the values in the x1 column, and then subtract 37.67 from that. Right, so a little typo. But those are my predicted y values. Right, so I could do that by hand individually, multiplying by 4.87 and then subtracting, 37.67 from it, or I can have the calculator just do it all for me, real quickly. Just need to tell it what to do. So then we'll also be interested in getting the residuals. Right, now I really feel like this is the best way to do it in terms of, continuing to have an understanding or grow an understanding for residuals. So I want to take my observed values, which are in y1, and from those, I want to subtract each corresponding predicted value. So that's what I designed that column to be, that column on the far right, y1 minus, right? And then I just copy and pasted that over. So I hope this helps, you on your quiz and everything else. Remember, math is cool, and so are you.